Now let's do a new construction search. We type the street address and click Analyze the property. This is a vacant lot, and it's going to ask if you want a new construction analysis done. You can choose if you want to continue with the analysis of the property as a lot, or if you prefer to analyze it as new construction. If I select Analyze New Construction, it will direct me to the new construction form. You will be able to enter the property specifications, characteristics, and special features of the new build you are planning. Now let's start with heated square feet, for example, 3,000 square feet. Number of bedrooms, for example, 3, and number of bathrooms. You choose the number of floors. Let's say this specific new build is going to have 2 floors. And garage spaces. Let's say this specific build is going to have a 2-car garage. Here you can select the property characteristics, such as riverfront, canal front, lake access in cases of waterfront property, boat or marina access in case you have any interior load with boat slip, or if there is a deeded boat slip. You can also choose lot type. For example, cul-de-sac. Additionally, you can select special features, whether your new build will include a pool or be located in a gated community, or you are planning to build a guest house. Here you can click on the advanced search filters, which allow you to specify the size tolerance and number of bedrooms to find comparable properties. Let's consider a tolerance of plus or minus 1,000 square feet for the area and plus or minus 2 for the number of beds. Once you've made these selections, simply click the Find Comparable Properties button to search for matching properties based on your criteria. Now we can see that the first section of the report is an AI estimated value analysis. In this AI estimated value analysis, you will discover the specific characteristics of each property. The AI will adjust the value accordingly as it identifies differences in property characteristics. There is one property that has a pool. AI is suggesting a 1% adjustment to account for this comparison of the estimated property value. You can modify this by clicking Edit Features. AI provides a summary of the findings from the comp's listings that align with or differ from the unique characteristics of your new build plans. Here you will find the estimated value derived from the price per square foot, average price, average size, number of comparables, and average days on the market. Additionally, you can determine whether the market is cold or hot based on the days on the market. The report also includes a price comparison presented in bar charts. For instance, specifically regarding property number 6, it is significantly below the average and is highlighted in red. Therefore, you should exercise caution with that property and verify that it is truly a comparable option. It provides insights into market price trends and the duration properties stay on the market. Additionally, it offers a property map, allowing you to visualize the locations of comparable properties. In here, it shows you the target property and the characteristics we chose for this new build. In this section, you can view the various comps identified in the area. You can access the listing information by following the links. It provides a summary table containing all the key values necessary for your decision-making, along with an overview of the averages. You can also use the AI assistant for any questions that you have. You also have the ability to print the report and bring up a fully customized PDF report that you can send to your business partners or your customers.